What's up? Alyssa LeBlanc here. Today we will be cooking spicy venison bulgogi. This is one of my favorite dishes. I eat this like once a week. Today I'm using backstrap. You could also use tenderloin. I sliced this nice and thin when it was still kind of frozen. Now we're gonna mix up all the ingredients for the marinade. Ooh, baby. So we're gonna take our sliced venison and add our beautiful sauce to it. I'm gonna put some plastic wrap on this and put it in the fridge for minimum an hour up to overnight. Once your meat's done marinating, be sure to take it out of the fridge and let it get to room temperature before cooking it. So you can cook this in a frying pan. Just be sure to take off the excess liquid and do little batches at a time. Today, I'm gonna be grilling it. All right, so taste test time. This smells so good. I'm gonna try just the meat. Ridiculous. Amazing. You gotta try this recipe.